Hey guys, this is quick oil and brake. Today I'm gonna show you how to reset oil life. This is a Honda Accord 2020. So you have to press this one and on the screen, and also you can scroll down until you see the maintenance. Then also you have to press this one. So this is 5%, and again press this one and scroll down to all due items. Item A for a oil change, and today I change oil, engine oil filter along with the oil, and also I replace air filter, cabin filter, rotate all 4 tires. So I'm gonna do all due items, then click again here. So it's completed, and also showing oil life 100%. Okay, thanks so much to watching, and I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, sir.